How to play with friends in car parking. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on the account that you would like to play with friends. Now go ahead and tap on start. Now the next thing is to tap on multiplayer. Now you want to go through this and tap OK, and then go ahead to confirm your age to use this feature. Now head over to the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then you are going to be clicking on enter player ID. Now go ahead and type in the person's ID you would like to add to car parking, and after typing you're going to be tapping on add. And now let's play with friends by tapping on start. And guys, this is how easy it is to play with friends in car parking. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.